everybody, welcome. Now then, today I'm going to be doing a pudding. I can't be bothered to cook, not in the mood, so I thought I'd do a pudding. Something simple. Anna asked me if I could make it weeks ago and I couldn't be bothered, but I'm going to make it now anyway. I'm going to make, what do you call it? One of them school dinner puddings. What's it called? I forgot. But it's not going to be a jam and coconut sponge. That's what I'm going to make. But I'm not making it out of the book. I'm going to do it my style. Budget style. Let me show you what I got. So, I've got myself some mollies. Nice and cheap. 53p from Tesco. That's a sponge mix done. 1 egg to go with it. 100ml of water. Desiccated coconut, that was the most expensive, that was £1.50. They do one for 70p, but didn't have any in, typical me. I got my strawberry jam, everyday essentials from Aldi. I got some custard with food colouring, make it pink, why not? And I'm also going to stick a bit of vanilla extract in the mix. And I'm also, this is the bit I'm worried about, I'm going to put a bit of baking powder in it, see if it rises. Now I know with this baking powder, if you put it in these cake mixes, they can go a bit bitter and they can collapse as well. But I'm going to try anyway, because why not? So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get that into my mixing bowl, which I've got here. Nice and simple. But for 53p, instead of messing around, you know, with your butters and everything and your flour, you can't go wrong with these. Can't sieve it first, but I ain't gonna. Get your egg in. Get your 100ml of water in. I'm going to put a teaspoon, well half a teaspoon of baking powder in it. I'll get my thing, there we go. I don't know whether it's going to work, but I'm going to find out. Boom. And I'm going to start mixing, nice and simple. And now it's started mixing, I'm just going to put a bit of vanilla extract in it, if I can open it. There we go. Just a drop. That'll do. And I'll keep mixing till it's smooth. Done. I'm going to put that out of the way a minute. I bought myself one of these. These are Wilco's, got a sale on. £3 that was. So I thought I'd get one of them and it'll go nice in my air fryer, that will. So I'm going to lining paper that. So now I've lined papered all that. Butter at the bottom and that. And I'm going to get this in. Just pile it in. Get all that goodness. Get it all. They do a, I think it's quite big, that trays anyway. They do a bigger one. I wasn't going to get it because I thought it might not have fitted in my air fryer. But I've just checked when I got home and it would have perfectly. But so I might go and grab another one of them tomorrow. But anyway, there it is. There's not a lot there. I hope it rises. But we'll find out. Right, into the air fryer with it. Right, I'm going to stick it on to bake. I'm going to stick on about, what does it say in the packet? I think it's 180 degrees. Let me have a look. Yeah, 180 degrees. I'll stick on about 180. 170, 180. I'm going to put it on for like 20 minutes. I was asked the other day whether you can put parchment paper in the air fryer. Yeah, you can. Just make sure when you cut it, it doesn't touch the top elements. That's all. So I'm going to stick this in the bottom shelf. Like that. And I don't know how long it's going to take, maybe 15 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it anyway. Right, that's been about 12 minutes now. I'm just going to check it. It has split a bit. Let's have a look. Looking nice though. It has risen a bit. Oh, that's virtually done. I'm going to give that just a couple more minutes. Couple more minutes and that should be done. Right, I think that's about done now. I'm going to take it out. Looking nice. Oh yes. Should be done. I'm going to leave that to cool down now for a few minutes. Right, that's cooled down for a few minutes now. So I'm going to get it out. I haven't got a proper square fingered plate, so I'm just using my grill rack here. I'm going to turn that over. Let's see if I can get that off. If I can, if not. Yes. Well, that over there out of the way. So can I peel this off? That's the question. Well, it's still a bit soggy. Might have to leave that a few more minutes. Turn it back over. I need a bigger plate. It's collapsing. Ah, it's all broke. It's all bust. What a shame that it all broke, eh? But I've turned it over upside down, you can't see underneath, can you? Who cares? When it goes in your gob. I want some jam. Basic cheap jam. Let's get it on. Want to do it while it's still a bit warm. It's very light, so I gotta be careful. I don't know if it was a good idea putting that baking powder in, you know. It hasn't risen much. Do this a bit at a time. I'll put some more on in a minute. Right, there's the jam on. It's not looking the best, but I'm not very good with cakes, me, so I'm going to try. I don't know whether this will go through my sieve. I'm going to try it first. I'm not sure whether it will or not. Will it? Let's see. If not, I'll just sprinkle it with put some on. Give it a sprinkle and see. Oh, it will. Oh, it will. It'll take a while, eh? No, it's not getting much out. I'll sprinkle it over like this. Why not? I mean, I know the sponge is soft. That's a good sign. Looking good? Yes, no? Sort of, I suppose. Yeah. Right, onto the custard. Just some Aldi custard. Get that in. Get the pan on. Nice and low. Get it in. And just a bit of, well, this is pink. I've got no red. I wanted a bit redder than that, but this is a bit too pink for me. I've had it, used it before. and just mix away till the custard's done. You can put some extra vanilla essence in it if you want it, but you don't need to with this ready-made custard. Nice and simple. Right, custard's done. Nice and pink. Oh yes. I can turn that off. Now, let's dish it up then. Right, now I'm going to cut it up now into little squares. Unless it collapses on me. Seems nice and soft. We're not having loads because we haven't had dinner in a bit, so I'll just cut one bit up for now. How's this look? Yeah, it's nice and soft, look. In the middle. When I do it slow, I'm only doing a little bit. Because we're having dinner. Just put a little bit of this on. Just for nostalgia. And that'll scoff all that after tea, I suppose. Look at that, gorgeous, isn't it? It looks nice, doesn't it? For a cheap thing. Right, let's have a little taste test. So, and that's the cake expert in this house. So she's going to try it. She's not coming on. She's just having a chill day, ain't you, Bab? Yeah. So you're the cake expert. I know it's only a little bit, but you're having dinner in a minute. So you try it.
My favourite cake. Coconut.
Tell me what you think. It'll all collapse underneath, but I turned it upside down so you can't see. Yes? No? Nice? Could I try a bit? No. I can't taste it. She's eating it all. I don't have another bit because you can have some later, can't you, after tea?
Only a little slither?
No, only a little bit. I can only have a little bit.
No, I'm joking. That's yummy.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That sponge is lovely, isn't it?
What should you put that in?
I use one of them molly packs, but I put some baking powder in it.
Which one? That one.
In the air fryer, yeah.
You found some Max. So nice.
Oh, and that jam as well.
Yes,
and that coconut. Oh, yes. She's eating it all. Well, there we go. Many collapse underneath, but you can't tell once you turn it over. Jobs are good and it goes down your gob anyway. But that sponge is lovely and soft, look. I weren't expecting that baking powder to work in that packs, but it did. It doesn't taste bitter or nothing, does it?
That sponge is one of the nicest sponges I've had for ages.
Yeah,
it's really nice and soft, yeah.
It's a lot better than that other one we done at,
and it's not heavy neither.
On that live stream, weren't it? It's a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah.
That baking powder's done really well with it.
It's not heavy, but people understand when
not heavy on your belly.
It's not heavy on your belly.
Nice.
So,
there we go, simple, delicious.
It's yummy.
Natalie, all that. Guarantee you.
I'm having that for dinner next morning.
Yeah. Got the dog here looking for some. Well, there we go. Something simple, delicious. That's the expert in the cakes. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye.